Hi everybody, welcome to lesson 1.5, rename, save, and download your screencast. Once again, we're back in Loom here. This is the screen that when I hit stop recording or I'm done, it opens a tab. It automatically takes me to my video. I can watch that video right away here. You see it kind of playing in the background. I can speed it up with the sounds there, but one of the things you'll probably want to do right away is to rename that video. You see right here, it's called Untitled January. Usually it titles it with like a date and a timestamp. Very much like Google Drive, all you have to do is just click on the title. And I think this one was 1.3, recording. Okay. And it'll automatically update the title. Same thing will be true in Screencastify, which we'll look at in a second. In terms of saving your screencast, it is automatically saved in your library, in your sign-in here, like cloud, in terms of it's not really on your computer at this point. But if you wanted to download or save it to your computer, inside of Loom, we've got this download button right here. And so you can, as soon as the video buffers and loads into Loom's storage, you can download it. It'll quickly download depending on how long it is, and then you should see it pop up here, and then where you have your normal download options. You could open it, you could show it in the folder. If you're on a Chromebook, it shows up in your files on the Chromebook. So you can do anything with it you want then with that file. If you wanted to download that file and save it, that's how you would download it into your Google Drive and save it into your Google Drive if you were using Loom. On the Screencastify side, we have the same type of thing here. You'll see this one's titled, as I'm on an older one here. Here's you just click in, and we give it its new name, and then it automatically renames it inside your library. Over here on the right side, it's got some different download options. You can download this way. When you download this way, it saves it as a WebM file, which is what you get when you record on your Chromebook, which is pretty much usable anywhere. If you want specifically an MP4, which is like sort of the most common video file, you can also download or export it as an MP4 here. So there's a couple different file formats depending on what way you're distributing it, how you'd like to use it. You can also do the audio only, which is useful down the road if we're going to talk about podcasting or you just want an audio recording. You can use that tool. And then there's some kind of fun ones. You can export it and turn it into like a GIF or a GIF, depending on how long it is to be used. So those are your saving or downloading options inside Loom and Screencastify.